बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ DIY craft videos signing in, and I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful garden recycling craft ideas. These are very amazing and very unique and very pretty collection of recycling decoration ideas for your home decor or garden decor. So viewers, hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then you must subscribe my channel and you also watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of garden decoration ideas. These are super stunning and most beautiful and very pretty looks of your garden decor. Hope so you enjoyed this video, and you must subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers and keep supporting my channel and keep watching my videos. Always take care guys, always be happy, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. Take care guys. Allah Hafiz.